Welcome everybody and thank you for joining me today. My name is Amnah Dennaoui. Today I will discuss a fun and engaging activity when teaching your students a maths phenomenon in nature. In particular, we'll be focusing on lateral symmetry or line symmetry in nature. The activities I'll be sharing today are fun, engaging, hands-on activities that will help your students understand the concepts of symmetry in nature. The activity is designed for the foundation year level. This activity will help students identify symmetry in the environment, which is one of the content descriptors listed in the Australian curriculum for foundation maths. The best way to start a lesson and engage a level of understanding of the group is to ask the question, what is symmetry? If you get a response, great. Otherwise, you will need to provide a short and simple explanation and give some examples of symmetry in nature. One quick example I have is a piece of paper, A4 piece of paper. If you fold it down the middle, and you open it up, it shows its mirror image of each side with the line of symmetry going down the middle. This is a great way to demonstrate to students in a really simple way that each side needs to be identical to the other. This is a great way to get the lesson going. From this point forward, you would ask the class if they could tell you other objects in nature that are symmetrical. Give them a chance to think about it and see what they come up with. This is a great time to see a student who doesn't choose a symmetrical object to then further elaborate to the class about symmetry in nature. Activity 1, creating symmetry. This activity is fun, hands-on activity to ensure students fully understand the concept on symmetry in nature. For this activity, you will need a set of leaves, butterfly, fruit and flowers, laminated and cut in half. When joined together, students can grasp the concept of symmetry in nature. Begin by placing a set of cutouts between a group of 2 students. Then ask the students to pair up the objects to match the other side to demonstrate symmetry in nature and creating a maths phenomenon. Explain to the students that they need to be a mirror image of each side. This activity can be used with any type of animal, flower and fruit of symmetrical nature. You can determine the level of difficulty by scaffolding the students based on their ability of understanding. Here I've got an example of a cutout that you would use between 2 students. So in pairs of 2, you would group 2 students together and you would ask them to pair up the natural objects from nature. So this is a flower, and if I connect them together, they are identical and mirror image of each side with the line of symmetry down the middle. So you would get them to pair it all up together, which shows their level of understanding and really help them grasp the concept of symmetry in nature, hence creating a maths phenomenon. And it's really fun and engaging and hands-on. And so we've got different objects here. We've got leaves, we've got butterfly, we've got fruit. I'm just showing you quickly what is expected of the children. Some students will be capable of quickly identifying and matching each side of the object, whereas others may need assistance. This activity will help further cement the concept of symmetry in nature by identifying that each side is identical and there is a line of symmetry in the middle. This is a great and engaging activity. You can also elaborate on their understanding of the concept of symmetry in nature by giving a nature walk and asking students to collect things from the outdoors. This helps scaffold children where you can either increase the level of difficulty for those students who are ahead or bring back a little for those students who may need further assistance and understanding of symmetry. It is all about the individual learning and catering for students' capabilities. It is also a great activity as it allows students to identify symmetry in nature and really grasp the concept, which is one of the descriptors in the Australian curriculum for Maths Foundation. Thank you for attending today. I hope it helps with your lesson planning. Thank you so much.